GBA Jam 2026 is here, just in time for the console's 25th anniversary. If you've watched any of my videos or are interested in GBA development at all and thought, maybe I want to try making something, this is the time. This is an opportunity for people of all skill levels and experiences to create something awesome for the GBA and also connect with the community. In my opinion, the GBA is such a good balance of power in a machine and simplicity in developing hobbyists to make some really cool and unique and still innovative things. And this is not your average game jam. A traditional game jam might only be for games, but you can make whatever you want. You could make games, or you could make a tech demo, a nifty tool, or just some weird, wacky, out-of-this-world thing. Whatever you can imagine, it just has to run on the GBA. The jam started on June 13th, so I'm about 2 weeks late to the party, but it's completely free to enter and you could submit anytime before September 13th. As of now, there's a prize pool of almost $2,000 in cash for the best submissions, and also some cool GBA themed prizes, like a GB operator and 3 GB cart read-write tools for backing up your games and save data from your cartridges, and then putting new games and save data on those cartridges. There's also some really high quality GBA homebrew games like Discrete Orange and Xenocrisis, and last but not least, the newly crowdfunded and open source emulation device, the GameBub. This looks like a really cool device that can actually play Game Boy and Game Boy Advance cartridges. I personally am the most interested in this. If this sounds interesting to you, but maybe you aren't feeling the most confident in your developing abilities or your abilities as an artist or musician, check out the GBAdev Discord. They have so many resources for learning about developing on the GBA, and it's also a great place to meet other people who are interested in participating in the jam. I recommend checking out the matchmaking channel so you can send out requests for teammates or you can join up with another team. Again, this whole event is about building community and celebrating the GBA, so you are encouraged to collaborate. All of the information on the GBA Jam for 2026 can be found on the itch.io page for the Jam, including more information about prizes, rules for submissions, frequently asked questions, and more. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm currently finishing up a bigger project similar to the Guitar Hero video, so keep an eye out. But after that, I'm going full steam ahead on the jam. This will be the first GBA Jam I've ever participated in, so I'm super excited. I'm not going to say what I'm making yet, but expect some videos related to my project. Alright, thanks for watching and good luck making games.